Miss Susie wants to know which subject is her student's favorite. To find out, she does a survey during class by asking them which subject is their favorite. We can present the data collected in a pictograph. How do we make a pictograph? First, place the data collected in the table as shown. Then, draw 2 columns and 4 rows to form a horizontal pictograph. Write the names of the subjects in the first column. Next, determine the number of students represented by a symbol. Here, divide the number of students for each subject by 2. Use the symbol once to represent 2 students. Draw the number of symbols as calculated. The quantity that each symbol represents must be clearly indicated in the pictograph. Finally, write down the title for the pictograph. Thus, the school subjects favored by the students is represented by the pictograph shown. Besides making a pictograph to represent the collected data, we can also make a bar chart. On a graph, first draw 2 lines that are perpendicular to each other, intersecting at 0. Along the horizontal axis, choose the uniform width of bars and uniform gap between the bars. Then write the names of the data items whose values are to be marked. Along the vertical axis, choose a suitable scale to determine the height of the bars for the given values. After that, draw the bars according to the data collected. Finally, write the title for the bar chart. Name the vertical and horizontal axes. Hence, the bar chart shown gives the information of which subject is favored by how many students.